In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to a PDF in iLovePDF. First, we need to open Organize PDF on the iLovePDF website. This is a crucial step because it takes you to the right tool for manipulating your PDF files. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean interface with various options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This tool is user-friendly and designed to streamline your editing process. You will find everything you need in one place, making it easier to manage your PDF documents. Now that we have the tool open, it is time to upload your PDF. Look for the Upload button prominently displayed on the screen. Click on it and a file dialog will appear. Navigate to the location where your PDF is saved. Select the file you want to edit and click Open. You will see a progress bar indicating that your PDF is being uploaded. This step is vital as it ensures that you are working on the correct document. Once the upload is complete, you will see your PDF displayed in the workspace. Next, hover over the page where you want to insert a new page. This part of the process is intuitive. As you move your cursor over the pages, you will notice that the interface highlights them. This visual cue helps you identify exactly where the new page will be added. Ensuring you position the new page correctly is important because it keeps your document organized. This way, you can maintain the flow of information in your PDF. Once you have your page highlighted, click the plus icon to add a blank page. This icon is easy to spot and will be located alongside the page thumbnails. When you click it, a new blank page will appear in the position you selected. This action is essential because it gives you the space to add new content or images as needed. With the new page in place, you can now customize it according to your requirements. At this point, we are ready to finalize our changes. Click on Organize PDF to apply all the adjustments you have made. This button is typically found at the top of the interface. Clicking it ensures that all your edits are processed, creating a new version of your PDF that includes the added page. It is reassuring to know that this action saves all the modifications you have made up to this point. Finally, let's download the new PDF. Look for the download button on the screen, usually located in a prominent position. Click on it and your new PDF will begin downloading to your device. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your edited document. Once the download is complete, you can open the file to review your changes. This process ensures that you have the latest version of your PDF with all the new additions. You have successfully added pages to your PDF using iLovePDF. Each step was designed to simplify the editing process, making your experience smooth and efficient. Remember, having the right tools can save you time and effort when working with PDFs. Now, enjoy your newly edited document and feel free to explore more features available on iLovePDF. Thank you for following along.